Hi, Frank Adams from California Lightworks. I want to give you a brief tour of our latest greenhouse installation. These are our new Greenhouse Pro 340 LEDs for supplemental greenhouse lighting. This is the Harborside Menlo greenhouse in Salinas, California. Harborside is one of the premier cannabis brands in California. This is a purpose-built, state-of-the-art cannabis production facility. All glass, 20-foot ceilings, high level of automation for the nutrient delivery systems, humidity control, temperature, and of course our new GH Pro lights. There's a lot of important innovations in these new lights. First of all, they are fully integrated drivers. A lot of our competitors force you to use an independent driver, which must be mounted somewhere else and often below the canopy so it won't block the sun. Ours are fully integrated into the device, so it's very easy to assemble, cuts the installation charge down by quite a bit. Also, these are chainable. Most of our competitors, you need one power drop per light. These can chain up to 10 lights off a single power drop, so power drop, 10 lights, power drop, 10 lights, so this greatly reduces the installation cost. Even unskilled labor can do most of the installation once the electrician's done. Another important innovation is we have two spectrums, which are fully digital control. The red is isolated on a second channel, and then you have full white. Each one of those can be raised or lowered 0 to 100% on a digital basis, either together or different photo strategies during the year. We find that yield in cannabis is especially about red, having a high power density in the red. So in some cases you might supplement only in red where you have good sun. You can also use the full spectrum if you're under the blackout cloth, for example, or run different strategies for veg, bloom, simulating different seasonal changes during the year. One additional innovation which also gives more control and greatly reduces the installation costs is our Bluetooth mesh network. Each fixture has its own Bluetooth transmitter and a program chip, which allows every light to communicate with every other light. You can control this with any Bluetooth-enabled device, smartphone, tablet, a laptop. We also have a cloud function that can go up to the internet. You can run multiple operations from any location in the world. This gives you the ability to manually set spectrum, on-off time, sunrise, sunset, or even different spectrum strategies during the year that can be run independently on a dynamic basis. It also allows you to get a wireless photo sensor which will talk to the lights, and you can separate the lights into separate zones. Let's say you have a zone that's typically in the shade for part of the year. You can create a zone, attach a photo sensor. It will automatically raise and lower the light based on the available sunlight, so you get the best possible control of energy usage and an even light level during the year. We've found here at Harborside that their yield drops by as much as 50% across the winter months. So being able to maintain that light level easily pays for the fixtures within a couple harvests. Plus, as they sell to their own retail stores, the quality of the bud is really important, that be consistent across the year. So we find we can get indoor quality in a greenhouse using supplemental lights. We're really excited about how this came out. And there's nothing like the sweet smell. You can't see it. And there's nothing like the sweet smell of success.